it's about, so today is about mixed numbers and improper fraction. So mixed numbers and improper fraction. So in order to understand it, we have to understand what it means. So we do have, in real life, we do have mixed numbers. Like say, if you have $1, some person, and two quarters, that is mixed because they have uh, different unit. Or we could get one apple and half. Okay, so that is also, this is also called mixed, right? You get whole, and you get, this is a whole, this is whole and this is 1/4, this is another quarter, which is 1/4 of a dollar, right? Then you got one apple and a half. So those kind of called mixed numbers. Okay. For example, if we have 1 and 1/2, that is called a mixed number because we have this one is called, remember, what's it, what this kind of number is called?
Whole number.
Whole number.
Whole number.
And this number is called
Fraction.
fraction. So we put them together. That's why we call it mixed number.
Oh.
Okay, are we good on this one?
Yeah.
Yes.
So 1/2, this page means 1 plus and half. That's all. Okay. So this one just kind of shorthand, just like just to save time. Improper fraction, like say 4 of 3. 4 out of 3, that's 4 1/3, right? So 4 1/3 is bigger than 1. 1/3 is bigger than 1. So that's called improper fraction. So normally a proper fraction is always less than 1, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's part, breaking something, breaking a whole apple, breaking the whole pizza. All right. So how do we do this? How do we change this one to, this is a mixed number, to an improper fraction? This one, remember what we did last time, how to add fractions, right? So 2/3 plus, say, 3/4. How do we do that?
B plus D over B times D.
So 3 times 4, right? Right? 3 times 4 bottom, top, top is cross, right?
Okay.
So 2 times 4 plus 3 times 3, right? Are we good on here? So therefore, this is 12. This is 8. This is 9. So what do we have? 17 over 12, right?
Yeah.
Good. So that's how we do a fraction. So therefore, we can do the same thing with the mixed number. Let me erase that. Okay. So I can erase all that. So we have some room left. And so remember, 1/2 is equal to 1 plus 1/2. So before we can add, we are going to change this 1 into a fraction. 1 divided by 1 is 1, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Plus 1/2. Remember how we do the fraction? How we have fraction now? 1 times 2, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And 1 times 1?
Is 1.
No, 1. Sorry, 1 times 2 is 2.
Is 2.
And plus 1 times 1, right?
Is 3.
So that's 3.
Over 2?
1 second. Good?
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to do another one, okay? How about 2 3/5? So that is basically 2 plus 3 1/5, right? And I'm going to rewrite 2 as 2 over 1. So that's a fraction now. 3 over 5. So how do we do that?
Make it the same.
1 times 5, right? Right? Then 2 times 5 plus
13 over
times 3, right?
5.
Good. So what we have?
13 fifths.
Yep, 13 1/5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, hopefully we can see the pattern. I'll give you another one. 3 2/7. That's 3 plus 2/7, right? And that is 3 over 1, because 3 divided by 1 is 3. 2 over 7. Now we got two fractions. So what do we have?
Go around.
1 times 7, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
On the top, 3 times 7, right? Plus, and 1 times 2. So that gave us what? 1 plus 2 over 7, right? So that's 23 over 1/7, right? We good?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to put all together. So hopefully you can see the pattern. 1/2 is what? 2. 1 times 2 plus 1, right? Now we did 3. What is that? 3. I forgot. Is that 2 3/4? Second time.
3/5. 3 over 5. It was 2 and 3/5.
2 and okay, let me raise this. So 2 3 over 5, and that is what? 5 on the bottom, right? We did 2 times 5, right? Plus 1 times 3, which is 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so third one, 3 2 7, right? Okay, so that's 7. Then we did 3 times 7 plus 2, right?
Yeah.
Now, do you see the pattern? Do you see the pattern? 1 times 2 plus 1. That's the top, right? 2 times 5 plus 3, right? 3 times 7 plus 2, right? So have you heard something called around the world?
Yeah. No. Yeah, I heard that.
That's what around world means. 1 times 2 plus 1, that's 3. 2 times 5 plus 3, that's the top, right? And 3 times 7 plus 2. So now we have a shortcut. So we can bypass the middle steps to use this shortcut. We get? Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now if we write that in math, in algebra, it's A, B over C equal to what? And around the world, what do we do? Okay, what do we do?
Oh.
C times B plus A.
A times C plus B. Okay. That around the world. So A times C plus B. Right?
Ah.
Right? Yes?
Mhm.
We good?
Yeah.
So that's what we change from mixed number to improper fraction is using use this trick called around the world. But we went through that and you understand it, right? We showed how it works. That's where
Yeah.
basically
Yeah.
we come together, figure this out together. Is this around the world thing? Okay. Can I give you a problem?
Sure.
2, 3, 7. What's that?
So it would be 2 times 7 plus 3 over 7
Yeah, 2 times 3
plus 3.
plus 6. What's that?
17 over 7.
What's your answer?
Yeah.
What's the answer?
17 over 7.
17 over 7. So 17 1 7, right? And this is bigger than 1, so this is an improper fraction, right? That's improper fraction. And on this side is mixed number. So that's how we do mixed number to improper. All right, good? Okay,
Yes.
I'll give you another problem. 3, 2, 9. What's that?
4 times this.
So for me,
12.
3 9 plus
Oh.
2 over 9
27.
plus 2.
Yeah,
2 7. I don't get it.
That's plus 27 plus 2.
yeah,
Oh. 29 nines. I get it now.
yeah, 29 1 9. Okay, good, good job. So now we do going in the other way around is from the improper mix. So by the way, in if we got one down here, supposed to be a person here, and 2 quarters. If we change this one, this is a mixed, and if we change this one to 6,
Now, okay.
this is the improper fraction. Okay,
Quarters equals $1. 2 quarters equals
good. So now
Mhm.
we're going to go backwards. Okay, is from improper to
Alexa.
so basically we are going back from 6 quarters to $1.02. Okay. So we got say 7 over 3. The way we do it is we put 7 inside, divide by 3, right? How many 3?
Alright, that sounds good.
3 goes to 7.
How many times 3 go to 7?
So
3 times.
2, right?
Yeah.
2 times 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1, right? Remember, do you remember what this is called? How do we call this?
Remainder.
Remainder.
Remainder. Good. So now we can write that this is whole. Okay, this is our whole number. 2 and 1 and we good? We good?
He's asking to go.
Yeah.
And we can actually verify it. Verification is by 2 times 3 plus 1 is 7, right? Going to, right? So that's how we know we got it right. Okay. Then couple 9 over 5th. So 9 inside, 5 outside. How many 5 go to 9?
How many times is 5 going to 9?
1.
1
Good.
to 5. 4 is our remainder, right? So what do we have?
5.
So 1 over 5 over 1 or 4. Same.
Right? Right? So remainder goes to the top. Good? And the whole number goes to here. We good?
Yeah.
I want you do one more, okay? Or a couple, maybe have you do that. So what is 10 over 4? How do we do that one?
Alright, so now there's 4 into 10. How many times does 4 go into 10? 2. Okay. So 2 times 4 is 8. So it's 2 into 2 fourths.
Ow.
Right? So how do we write this mixed number?
In sound 2 and 2 fourths.
2 and 2 fourths.
2 and 2/4. Perfect. And I'll give you one more example, okay? 13 over 5. How do you do that?
Divide 13 by 5. How many times is 5 going? So 13.
2.
So 2 5s goes into 13, right?
Mm-hmm.
2 times
2
5
times.
10. 13 minus 10
Mhm.
is 13.
3.
3.
So how do we write here?
2 and 3 5.
2 and 3/5.
2 and 3/5. Perfect. That's how we do improper to mixed. Okay? We
Okay.
get,
Okay. Okay.
so you had fun today?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to come back next week?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Next week we are going to talk about. So it's next week we are going to talk about how to simplify fraction.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Because we want to be easy, right? Like 2/4 is what?
1/2.
So that's called simplification. But we're going to learn more on other kind of fractions. How do we do that? Okay.
Okay.
All right. Cool. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.